Hello viewers. Today we are going to talk about the stock Mirza International Limited. Mirza International Limited is in the business of manufacturing and export of footwear and clothing. It also retails the footwear, attire and adornments under its brand named as Red Tape, Mode, Bond Street and Oakbrook through its own selective image outlets and outsider outlets and different web-based business entryways. On 12th of November year 2021, their board has approved the proposal of the amalgamation of RTS Fashion Private Limited, which is the holding company of Mirza UK Limited MUL, with Mirza International Limited MIL, and subsequently the demerger of their domestic business of Mirza International Limited into the resulting company named as Red Tape Limited. The board has also announced that they will consider and approve the draft scheme of arrangement, report on valuation of shares, and fairness opinion report, and such other incidental documents in their coming meetings. If we talk about the Mirza UK Limited, it is in marketing and distribution of leather footwear, leather goods, and accessories in countries like UK, USA, and other European markets. Mirza International Limited primarily generates about 30 to 35% of their net sales from Mirza UK Limited, which creates a conflict of interest for the company. So, the proposed scheme of amalgamation of RTS along with Mirza International Limited will remove this conflict, and thus it will simplify the group corporate structure. Because of this complex structure so far maintained by Mirza International Limited, this conglomerate trades at lower valuation over the stock exchange. Mirza International Limited has two distinct businesses. The first business is of private and white labeled made to order footwear and accessories, and the second business is branded retail, which primarily depends upon outsourced third party manufacturer for the entire inventory of garments and a significantly quantity of footwear as well. If I talk about the share exchange ratio for the amalgamation, the transferee company Mirza International Limited will issue 22 shares for every 10 shares of rupees 10 each held in the transferor company RTS Fashion Private Limited. Further, going for the demerger, the resulting company Red Tape will issue one equity share for every one share held in Mirza International Limited. Going towards the comparison study of Mirza International Limited with its peer, its main peers are Bata India Limited, Metro Brands, and Khadim India. Its other peers, which primarily follow a wholesale business distribution model, include Relaxo Footwears, Liberty Shoes, and Sri Leather. As retailing is Mirza International Limited distribution model, comparison with Bata, Metro, and Khadim will be appropriate. Khadim and Bata operated largely in the economy segment at the lower end, with the average selling price of rupees 620 and rupees 494 as of financial year 1920, and rupees 534 and rupees 519 as of financial year 2021 respectively. While Metro operated in the premium segment at the other end of the spectrum, with the average selling price of rupees 1346 and 1328 as of financial year 1920 and financial year 2021. Though the average selling price for Mirza International Limited is not available, it basically operates in the mass premium segment. If we go as per the sales based on annualized half year financial year 21-22 sales, Bata and Metro currently are trading at a price to sales of 13x, while Khadim is trading a multiple of 1x only. Khadim lower multiple can be explained by its lower operating profitability and lower return compared when with Bata and Metro. So, if we are looking to arrive at the valuation of Mirza International Limited branded retail business, we will be assuming a price to sale multiple of 3.5x. Using these estimates, we will be arriving at a market cap of rupees 2374 crore for Mirza International Limited branded retail business. As per the scheme of amalgamation of RTS and Mirza International Limited before the demerger, it is expected to lead a 13% dilution. After implying that 13% dilution, the market cap for the existing shareholder of Mirza International Limited is expected to reach about rupees 2065 crore. According to the filing of Mirza International Limited over the exchanges, its private labeling and retail division generated a sale of rupees 291.14 crore in first half of financial year 21-22 with a net profit of rupees 18.01 crore. If I assume a multiple of 1x based on the division annualized half year 21-22 earnings with a subsequent dilution of 13% with the scheme of amalgamation, we can arrive a market cap of rupees 506 crore for MIL residual business. As on present date, 2nd of Jan 2022, Mirza International Limited is currently trading at rupees 126 per share with a total market cap of rupees 1513 crore. According to the management, Red Tape division could potentially earn 1000 crore revenue in financial year 23. Combining the two business market cap arrived with the price to sale ratio, we can expect that it can trade at a combined market cap of rupees 2571 crore. Thus it provides an upside from its current level after the demerger. And further growth can come from a combination of PE expansion and earning growth. Though it's too early, the demerger has been just announced and it could take a long time to fructify the results of the amalgamation and demerger. Viewers, I have a humble submission that this video is only for education and information sharing purpose. Please do not consider this as a buy or sell recommendation. Thank you, viewers.